Hi everybody, welcome to Ken Institute of Executive Learning. My name is M.G. Singhal. I'm a mechanical engineer by training with an advanced diploma in industrial safety and occupational health. At Ken Institute, I have designed and developed a training program, executive program in occupational health and safety excellence, which will help you to understand various health and safety hazards in different kind of activities, products and services. Overall objective of this course is to help you acquire the hands-on skills in order to prevent accidents in your organization and make it a better workplace. Remember, health and safety in today's global business world is not the responsibility of health and safety professionals alone, but is an integral part of operations, and the line managers from the functions are, if not more, equally responsible and answerable for health and safety to the organization. The course will help not only the health and safety professionals in terms of enhancing their skills, but will also equally help the line managers from operations and maintenance functions as well. The course will be spread over a period of 24 weeks in order to ensure that the working professionals do not have to sacrifice their core responsibilities while attending this course. Before I give you more details about the course, permit me to say a few words about me. Besides my education qualification, I am also a certified lead auditor for Quality Management System ISO 9001, Environment Management System ISO 14001, Health and Safety Management System OSHA 18001, which I am sure all of you know has now been replaced by a regular ISO standard ISO 45001. I have also been certified as a master trainer by International Labour Organization. I have been associated with health and safety management in industry for almost 50 years now and have worked in various disciplines such as engineering, plant maintenance, maintenance planning, project management, materials management, health and safety management, environment and quality management systems. I retired in the year 2010 as Head of Corporate Safety from Hindalco Industries, a flagship company of Aditya Birla Group. I was responsible for health and safety of 15 manufacturing plants, including open cast mines and power plants. Since then, I am associated with a number of reputed organizations, primarily to impart training to the managers and conduct health and safety, environment and quality management system audits. Coming back to the course, it is designed and developed in two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. A total of 10 subjects are covered to which you will be thoroughly exposed. Each part has got 5 subjects and each subject covers a number of topics. Part 1 will cover 5 subjects. Number 1, hazard identification, risk assessment and risk control. Number 2, safety while working on machines. Number 3, safety in material handling. Number 4, chemical safety. Number 5, fire prevention and control. Part 2 will cover again 5 subjects. Number 1, work permits. Number 2, accident investigation, analysis and corrective actions. Number 3, electrical safety. Number 4, occupational health management, which will be basically not be covering the clinical part of it. It will have the health and safety risks at the workplace, such as noise, fumes, smoke, dust, poor ventilation, poor illumination, ergonomic hazards, and like that. And last but not the least will be behavior-based safety, which primarily addresses the risks associated with people's behavior. The program will be delivered in virtual classrooms with the help of PowerPoint presentations, case studies, videos, and group exercises. After each part, there will be an evaluation of the learning of the participants, mainly through objective type questions. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link given at the end of this video and enroll for the course.